श्री सीमेंट पे this company NBI वो श्री सीमेंट का जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट इन इन्वेस्टमेंट देयर आर लाइक अगेन टू थिंग्स कोटेड एंड अनकोटेड और अनकोटेड में देयर आर थ्री थिंग्स there will be like something like startup investing हो गया or else like unquoted investments something like you have invested in some XYZ of asset which you can value and there is something like you are valuing in a different kind of asset only like matlab art gallery something on all you can invest. So look at quoted investments is like market prices are available, unquoted market prices are not available. You have to derive the unquoted. Just look unquoted as a percentage of investment ज्यादा रहेगा ना. बी वेरी केयरफुल ओवर देयर एंड ये क्वेश्चन करते रहना इतना वैल्यू ऑफ असेट क्यों अनकोटेड में है and there is like different logic company will use to value their unquoted numbers and ask management matlab why are you valuing this asset at this valuations and get the clarity for yourself. If you are satisfied then only see look into that company because make sure as much as possible unquoted as a percentage of investments कम रहने का देखो that will be safer for you and even quoted पे रह गया तो भी you will make money. No, nothing like that. There is an example quote इसीलिए I have taken this example as NBI Industries का. This was a clear cut minority shareholders को was like मतलब batter कर दिया था minority shareholders. This everyone were not investing in Shree Cement. They were actually investing to NBI Industries to get a it was like holding company discount मिल रहा था और अच्छा valuations was NBI was available. But NBI ना one day sells its NBI का management में Shree City बेचता है and one day NBI sells its entire this unquoted वाला जो भी quoted वाला जो भी stake होता है to Shree Cement at an look at this they at 89 crores which was actually valued at 3077 crores को 89 crores में बेच देता है. एंड ये एनसीएलटी केस पे बहुत ज्यादा केस चला था इस पे. company will do crazy things. You have to ask questions to the management. Only thing in investing is to ask why.
Kaushik, you need to explain it in a very, as in explain it slowly because I'm assuming many people would not have got the gist of this story. It is very important, so I would request you to repeat it and go slow on this so that people understand.
Yeah. Okay. There is a listed investment holding company called as Shree Cement, who was into cement sector and Shree Cement ka business tha. And there was another company called as NBI Industries. Shree Cement's valuations were like very high. मतलब उनका stock prices का valuation market का was very high. People were actually buying Shree Cements through NBI. NBI was actually holding 64.72% of NBI. Because Shree Cement ko NBI ke through they were playing out as Shree Cement. They were directly not investing. Holding company discount was available. This discount was something around I remember seeing it around 60 to 70% discount. Like think like this: Bajaj holding company you're buying to buy Bajaj Finance or any other Bajaj companies, or like you're buying Tata Investments to buy any other Tata companies. You're playing in an indirect way to buy the listed companies of other companies who are like very highly valued. This discount will come when the and इस पे क्या होता है, like वो जो भी कंपनी का लिस्टेड कंपनी का डिविडेंड वगैरह होगा एनबीआई के पॉकेट्स पे आएगा और एनबीआई का पॉकेट से from the investors of NBI will get. So that was the setup, and everyone were happy to buy NBI Industries as considered as Shree Cement. But what happened in 2016 and 17? NBI sold off its shares in unlisted company, including Shree Capital Services Private Limited, another group holding company, to the promoter at a huge discount of 97%. जो एनबीआई के पास होल्डिंग पे था श्री सीमेंट का एक कंपनी को, उस कंपनी को एनबीआई सोल्ड दैट कंपनी एट ए 97% टू इट्स फेयर वैल्यू. मतलब इसका प्राइस टू बुक वैल्यू पे बोल रहे हैं, उसका फेयर वैल्यू वाज सोल्ड टू श्री सिटी एट ए हाईएस्ट डिस्काउंट ऑफ 97%. और ये ट्रांजैक्शन होने के 2 साल के बाद इन्वेस्टर्स को पता चला है दैट इज समथिंग हैज हैपेंड. टिल दिस इन गवर्नेंस वाला लोग ये इसके ऊपर रिपोर्ट लेके आते, तब तक तो किसी के ऊपर पता भी नहीं था ये हो रहा था. 2 years के बाद people only came to know of this transaction के 2 years के बाद that something has happened like this, and everyone were in the assumption that buying NBI because they were getting Shree Cement at a good valuation. And जो भी value ना इसका एनबीए का वैल्यू वाज 3077 crores, but the entire was sold to the promoter back at 89 crores. 89 crores में सेल कर दिया, जो वर्थ ऑफ 3000 crores, और माइनॉरिटी इन्वेस्टर्स को पूरा मतलब काट दिया उनका पॉकेट्स को. That was a very very bad thing which happened. So this is with a big company. I'm talking about Shree Cement जैसे कंपनी के ऊपर. Things can happen at any place. So be very careful. Look at numbers very very carefully. And वो भी ना investments में quoted और unquoted को बहुत ध्यान से देखो. And when it comes to holding companies, उनका quoted valuations देखो. And mutual funds में दिया जाता है बहुत सारा जगह में. I have an example. कंपनी का धंधा है ऑटोमोबाइल्स पे, जाके इन्वेस्ट करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड में. ये मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता दिस कंपनी इज एन एसेट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी और एन ऑटो मेकिंग कंपनी. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ बिग नेम. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अ स्मॉल नेम. दिस इज अ बिग कंपनी. So this kind of things happens. You have to be very very careful. आपको उतना म्यूचुअल फंड मैनेज करना है तो जाके म्यूचुअल फंड कंपनी खोल लो ना. Why are you doing your auto business all together? चलो तुमको वो प्रॉफिट्स कमाए, वो प्रॉफिट का हकदार तो माइनॉरिटी इन्वेस्टर्स लाइक मी आर देयर नो. You pay back us as a dividend. We will decide where to put that capital. Then why are you taking my decision in your favor and you are taking मेरा decision मेरा हक है ना वो. तुम क्यों मेरे हक को छीन रहे हो? Why are you taking your decisions on your own? This is
So
also
Kaushik, this is a very important point which you have touched.